My name is Angela Finney. I'm going to tell you how I made my first book completely free. This is Stewie also. He wanted to be in the video. We are going to start the process a little backwards so you don't run into the same roadblocks that I did. In this video, we are going to mostly talk about Kindle Direct Publishing on Amazon. First, you are going to type into the Google search bar. You will type Kindle Direct Publishing and click on it. Then sign up for an account. It will ask you if you're an independent publisher and what you want to write about. Since I wanted to write about a kid's book, I picked children's book. Then once you're in, you want to press the big button that says create. It will ask you how you want your book. For Jenga's Journey, I wanted a paperback book. Once picking paperback, it will give me a bunch of things to fill out. It asks such things as what language will your book be in, and give a description of your book. My book's name was Jenga's Journey. It will also ask who your target audience will be. On the next page are questions about the content. This is where I started to run into a lot of problems, and this is why I wanted to make a video dedicated to this first. The first problem was uploading the book. The number of pages required to upload depends on the size of book that you select. For example, Jenga's Journey is 8.5 by 11. This book requires 24 pages to be uploaded. The next problem is launch preview takes a very long time sometimes. When you get your preview, I have problems with which way they had the 8.5 by 11 book turn. Portrait or landscape. If you don't do it right, Kindle Direct may cut off parts of your book. This is where I used Canvas for custom sizing. Now to the last part, printing a first draft. Amazon makes you print an author's proof. It takes about 3 to 4 days to ship your author's proof to your home. Once you make sure that it's all good, you approve. The problem is, even though you may approve it, it tells you that the book actually needs to be bigger. Since I selected 8.5 by 11 for Jenga's Journey, they said, well, you actually need 8.625 by 11.25. This is because when they're cutting your book, they don't want to cut off any of your book by accident. Once you jump through those hoops, you're an author. My book is about a farm cat named Jenga, who is learning how to be in a different home that he's used to. If you would like to check out my book, I will put a link in the description.